What's the best way to store your eggs? Monk on the hill here, and I just collected some of my chicken nests. And an environment like that is quite optimal. It's a cool basement, relatively dry. And it's pretty simple. The tip and the flat end in here is an air bubble. Typically an egg inside as well is pretty stable, but just in any case, if you have it that way, the air is always pushing up. So just to be on the safe side, tip down. So if you have fresh laid eggs, don't put them in the fridge. Leave them in an environment like that. If you have them out of a supermarket, I would say it's better to put them in the fridge. That's because of the cuticula. But that's another story. I'll tell you about that in the next video, so leave a subscribe. Like this, the eggs will be good for at least 2 weeks.